sacrifice. She can be soft as cotton, but at the same time she can be tender as flower. But at the same time she can be sharp as thorns. She can be sun and moon of your sky.
Hello.
She can fill your color in your life like a garden is beautified by butterfly. But you can't define her. Who is she? So, to show the power of a woman, we are going to present in next act based on life of Savitribai Phule. So, let's welcome on stage our next performance. The participants are
Tirtha, Karthik, Dhruv, Sia, Prince, Vihan, Rachit and Harsh.
जननी हूँ जीवन भी मैं, जननी हूँ जीवन भी मैं, जज्बातों पर जोर नहीं, जज्बातों पर जोर नहीं, सशक्त हूँ वो साकार भी हूँ मैं, सशक्त हूँ वो साकार भी हूँ मैं, नारी हूँ कमजोर नहीं, नारी हूँ कमजोर नहीं, दर्पण हूँ वो अक्स भी मैं, दर्पण हूँ वो अक्स भी मैं, स्वाभिमानी हूँ वो आत्मनिर्भर भी मैं, स्वाभिमानी हूँ वो आत्मनिर्भर भी मैं, टूट के बिखरू अब वो वक्त नहीं, टूट के बिखरू अब वो वक्त नहीं, नहीं समझना आधी अधूरी, नहीं समझना आधी अधूरी, नहीं अधूरी मैं खुद में पूरी, साथ चलना हो तो हाथ बढ़ाना, साथ चलना हो तो हाथ बढ़ाना, पीछे हटना मुझे मंजूर नहीं, पीछे हटना मुझे मंजूर नहीं।
1831 there was birth of a woman. Yes, we are talking about Savitribai Phule, the first female teacher. If she wasn't there, then there would have been only sirs in school, no madam. The lady who made this possible was the warrior and the first female teacher, Savitribai Phule. She was born on 3rd January 1831 in Mali Parivar. This family was treated as a background caste in society.
मुलगी झाली, लक्ष्मी आली. How beautiful girl, beautiful eyes. She will make her family proud in society.
In 1840, at the age of 9, she got married as a child, becoming a child bride. Savitri was uneducated when she got married, but her husband wanted her to be an educated woman and he educated her.
Savitri, see this?
Yes, so this, what is this?
I will educate you. You will be able to read and write.
Me? I will be able to read and write. हो, मुली पण शिकू शकतात. Girls can also be educated. They would be able to read and write. And if girls are able, they can earn money. Once girls start earning for their family, there would be no difference between men, women, male, female. Yes, there is need to educate all the girls in society.
Jyotirao Phule educated her. Both of them together opened a school for girls in 1848 in Pune at Tatya Saheb Bhide's residence or Bhidwada. Initially, 2 or 3 girls were coming to school to get education.
K, K, Kh, Kh, G, G.
But society did not accept this work of Savitri and Jyotirao.
It's a sin to educate girls and women. Girls, go back to your house. Don't come here again. Go, get out, go, get lost.
People used to throw stones, mud and dung on her on the way to and from the school.
How shameless! This woman is very shameless. She is making our society dirty. This is sin. Women cannot get education.
Savitri used to keep 2 saris with her. She used to wear another sari when people used to make her sari dirty, and she continued her work in school.
Oof! Again I have to change the sari and then I can continue my teaching work in school.
After watching all this, Jyotirao's father was forced to ask them to leave his house or close down school.
You too, either leave house or close down your school.
This forced Jyotirao to leave home with Savitri. After leaving home, Jyotirao Phule and Savitri continued their work as a social reformer, opening schools and homes for poor women and children. Savitri was not only a teacher, she was also a mother of many children. She has no child of her own, but she adopted many children and educated them, helped them with food, medicine, books, etc.
Take my jewelry and sell this. Buy something to eat for these children. Oh my God! You are in fever. Let's go to hospital.
While taking a 10 years old child to hospital, she herself got infected with plague. Savitri on bed, ill with plague.
I wish in our society there should be no discrimination between male, female, rich, poor. I wish there should be equality in our country.
On 10th of March 1897, Savitribai Phule died. After many efforts and facing many problems, she was successful in her efforts, and now we can see the successful life of women and female teachers in our society. We teachers are because of this woman. The education women got and providing education to our students now is gift of this woman to all the women in our country. So, we must say together the words of Savitribai Phule in the voice of all the women around. Empower a woman and you uplift an entire community.
Wonderful. So